Talanji's story. When you quest through Zolda's, you see Talanji's story and her dad, the king, and
I've seen that.
yeah, it's probably involved in I'm really hoping that it.
Got a Discover alert.
Whoa, that was too
And I need to change my password.
yum. Ow.